Hi there and welcome. Now when I bought this bus, it was a great RV. Let's say for a sunny summer holiday in Greece or Italy, but I wanted to start living in it. So it needed some improvements to make it a rolling home. That's what this video is about. Turning a great bus into a great tiny rolling home in 4 rather simple steps. Now let's see what we've got. Step 1. Shades. Yes, this bus needed shades. Step 2. Power. Step 3. That's obvious. Shower. Step 4. Flower. No flower. Step 4. Air pressure. Now is there a step 5? Yes. I got these 2 buggers as a present. They're not so much a home improvement step, but more something like a running gag. Literally. I'll show you at the end of the video. Now before we go to step 1, the shades, let's have a brief look at where I am. Okay, here we go.
Take off.
I'm in the southeast of Spain in the mountains. It's empty, silent, and at night very, very dark. Now, if I turn it around, I'm going to show you where I am. This is an old, abandoned mining village. Now, once this was the middle of somewhere with a lot of industrial activities, but now it has become the middle of nowhere. It's totally abandoned, it is silent, there's no one here, and a little spooky. If you want to know where this is, I'll put the coordinates in the description below. Done. Let's do some improvements. Improvement step number 1, the shades. This bus has 4 large double glazed windows. 2 on the other side, 2 on this side. That's nice for isolation, for a nice view, and for lots of light inside. Now all of these 4 large double glazed windows have a layer of foil inside, and that is good for privacy. But when the sun is shining, it is very bad for glass temperature. They get very hot. Even scary hot. Now you might say, take the foil away. That's possible here and that's possible on the other side. But over there I have to take down the complete kitchen and over there the bathroom. Now is there a more simple solution? Yes, there is. I bought me this piece of shadow cloth, took a pair of scissors and customized it, and I've got me 6 of these suction cups. Now let's see if it works. Took me about 1.5 minutes. Wow, no hot glass anymore, even more privacy, and the thing is, it even fits on the other side. Total cost, less than 20 euros. Great. Now let's go to step 2. Power. When this vehicle and I first met, it only had these 2 flexible panels, 100 watts each. Again, nice for a summer holiday, but not enough for a permanent rolling home. So I bought me this, a 400 watts regular panel. I made aluminum legs and a frame, put the panel in and mounted it on the roof. A tip, if you have the space, go for a regular panel, like the ones they mount on homes. They are a lot cheaper and the output is a lot bigger. And then I also have this additional one, a 200 watts foldable panel. You know, when the sun is low, and that makes a total of 900 watts. which is enough to help me through the Spanish winter. Let's go from the power to the shower. Step 3. In my opinion, a shower is one of the basic needs in life. Did this bus have a shower? Yes, it did. An external one, right here. Does it work? Yes, it does. But it's not really my kind of privacy. So, let's make one inside. Not much space, but doable. I started with this shower tray. Or maybe I should say shower box, so I can stand straight up. And the shower itself. So far, so good. But how about a shower cabin? Everything is going to be wet. Solution? A hoop. With 2 shower curtains. Now will that work? I'm about to find out. Well, I have to admit, it is a bit of a ritual. But yeah, I'm getting cleaned up. So I'm pretty happy with it. Let's get to step 4, the air pressure. Now, do you remember the very bumpy ride of this bus in one of my previous videos? Here's a quick reminder. This is bad. Yes, indeed. Very bad. And that is because she has leaf springs. They are old-fashioned, 43 years old, and worn out. There is a solution though. Let's replace this rubber bumper by this air suspension. Connect it to the air pressure system of the bus and help the old leaf springs a little. Now would that work? Let's give it a try. Wow. So far it's doing okay. It's floating like a real bus. Let's speed up a little. Oh wow. Big difference. Now, where's a speed bump when you need one? There is one. Now let's give it a try. Oh, wow. Oh, there's another one. Oh, wow. One big hooray for air pressure and air suspension. Okay then, finally step number 5. These two. Like I said, not really a tiny home improvement, but a running gag. Literally. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.